Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, so let's start with the solution part. You are done with already your revenue account and schedules. Let us begin with solution. First is claims paid. So this is payable as on, so थोड़ा ना वो आगे पीछे हो गया एक्चुअली. ये क्लेम्स पेड की यहाँ पे होना चाहिए 50 lakhs, यहाँ पर होना चाहिए एक्चुअली. और ये पेबल पेबल मतलब आउटस्टैंडिंग, पेबल एज ऑन 1st April होना चाहिए 8 lakhs, थोड़ा वो नीचे चला गया. और 31st March क्लोजिंग होना चाहिए 11 lakhs. मतलब ये जो 50 lakhs है ना वो नीचे चला गया. ये पेड है. पेड मतलब जो आपके मेन क्लेम्स है. ठीक है, लिखो शेड्यूल नंबर बोलिए.
Schedule
Two.
number 2.
वेरी
Two
गुड.
claim.
जाओ शेड्यूल नंबर 2 में लिखेंगे क्लेम्स पेड 50
Claims
lakhs.
paid inner column 50
50
lakh.
lakhs. Very good. Inner column. Okay. What about opening outstanding?
Less opening
8 lakh.
outstanding claim
8 lakh.
8
8
lakh.
lakh.
Inner column
Very good.
bracket में.
Very good. So less opening outstanding inner column 8 lakhs bracket. Come on, tell me about closing outstanding.
Add
Add
closing outstanding
closing opening
11 lakh.
closing
Very
11.
good.
outstanding claim 11 lakh.
Yes, yes, exactly the way they said. It has to be added, closing outstanding 11 lakhs inner column. So what should be in the outer column, because we have nothing regarding claims now. There is no another point related to claims. Yes, what is
50,
47 lakh.
52. And
all others please mute. Only who is answering please आप ही अनम्यूट करके आंसर बोलिए, बाकी सब म्यूट पे रखो. बोलो 2.25 का
52 आएगा. फाइनल 52 आएगा.
मतलब 52 क्या, 52,000, 52 lakhs.
52 lakh.
ओके 52 lakhs.
मैम मेरे को 53 lakhs आ रहा है.
मुझे भी 53.
मैम मुझे भी 53 lakhs आ रहा है.
एक मिनट रुको, क्लेम से रिलेटेड और कुछ है क्या? सम में देखो क्लेम से रिलेटेड और कुछ है क्या? यस है ना. लीगल एक्सपेंसेस रिगार्डिंग क्लेम्स, ये भी दिखा दो आउटर कॉलम में 3 lakhs. क्लेम्स लीगल एक्सपेंसेस रिगार्डिंग क्लेम्स 3 lakhs आउटर कॉलम. ठीक है ना. अब आपने जब भी 50 लाख ऑडिबल.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
कनेक्शन चला गया था मेरा. अभी आवाज ठीक से आ रही है सबको?
समझा.
आवाज ठीक से आ रही
हाँ
है?
मैम.
ओके ओके ओके.
हाँ मैम.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
अभी देखो, आपने मुझे बताओ, आप लोगों ने 50 lakhs में जब 8 lakhs को माइनस किया और 11 lakhs को ऐड किया तो कितना आया था आउटर कॉलम में?
53.
53 lakhs.
ओके, नाउ कीप इट एज इट इज. 53 lakhs को रहने दो. ठीक है, अब सीक्वेंस में जा रहे हैं हम. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. अब प्रीमियम शेड्यूल नंबर 1 में जाइए. प्रीमियम रिसीव्ड कितना है आपका मेन प्रीमियम? 1 crore 4 lakhs. Please note the figure. It is 1 crore 4 lakhs. ठीक है, इनर कॉलम. Tell me, paid on reinsurance. Paid on reinsurance means reinsurance ceded. So paid will be
Less.
deducted.
Deducted.
Paid will be deducted because premium is an income account. From income, paid will be deducted. Less paid on reinsurance. 4 lakh inner column bracket. Less paid on reinsurance inner column 4 lakhs bracket. Next, recovered on reinsurance means premium recovered on reinsurance.
Will add.
It will be added. It will be added. Very good. Write down add premium recovered on reinsurance in schedule number 1 only, huh? Add premium recovered on reinsurance. Because it is recovered is my income. Income will be added in incomes. Therefore, I'm adding. Therefore, it is to be added. And the amount is inner column 8 lakhs. So tell me the net premium.
10,18,000.
1 crore 8,000.
1 crore 8
8
1
lakh.
crore 8 lakh.
8 lakh.
1 crore
1 crore 8 lakh. 8 lakhs.
1 crore 8 lakhs. Very good. Next, commission. Schedule number
3.
3.
3. Schedule number 3.
Go and schedule number 3, write down commission of direct business, inner column 2 lakhs. We have reinsurance ceded commission. So what has to be done? Commission on
It should
reinsurance
be
ceded.
deducted.
It should
Seeded
be
will be deducted.
deducted.
Why it is to be deducted? Because it is an income. How it is an income?
Income and
Yeah.
commission is an expense account.
Yeah, very good. But reinsurance ceded, how it is an income? Because ceded is giving away the business. You are giving some portion of the business to some another person. So that another person will pay you the commission and you will receive the commission. Receiving commission is my income, but originally commission is my expense account. Therefore, commission on reinsurance ceded will be deducted. Write down less commission on reinsurance ceded. Less commission on reinsurance ceded. 20,000 will be in the inner
Inner
column.
column 20,000 bracket.
Bracket. Very good. Bracket. Okay. Add reinsurance accepted. Why it is to be added? Because it is an expense. While taking the business of somebody else, you will pay them commission. Paying commission is my expense. And also commission, originally it is my expense account. So in the expenses account, expenses will be added naturally. Okay. So add commission on reinsurance accepted. 10,000 inner column. So can you tell me the total? 2 lakhs minus 20 plus 10.
1 lakh
1,90,000.
1,90,000. Very good. 1,90,000. Now, management expenses. Where it will go?
Schedule number 4 operating expense. Outer column.
Schedule number 4 operating expenses directly to the outer column. 21 lakhs. Management expenses. Okay. Next, interest and dividends.
Others.
Revenue account में others
Revenue
income.
account other income.
Very good. Directly एक ही है ना, so don't make any working note because it is only one type of income. So there is no need to make a working note and put 2-3 items and then going on adding all of them, then putting the total. So it is a long procedure and it is done only when more than one item is given. But now only one item is given, so you can put it directly in the inner column. Now go to the revenue statement. आप रेवेन्यू स्टेटमेंट में जाएं, उसमें प्रीमियम के नीचे आपने अदर इनकम्स लिख कर रखा है. अगर नीचे स्पेस है, अदर इनकम्स के नीचे एक जगह खाली है, तो आप लिखिए इंटरेस्ट एंड डिविडेंड. अगर जगह खाली नहीं है तो बाजू में लिख दीजिए ब्रैकेट में इंटरेस्ट एंड डिविडेंड. इनर कॉलम 5 lakhs. Inner column 5 lakhs. It is already given in the question.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Legal expenses regarding claims. Because it is regarding claims, so it will be shown
Claims.
under claims
Claims.
in schedule number 2.
Schedule
Number 2.
Outer column
Claims.
3 lakhs.
Outer flow. Yes.
Yes. Legal expenses regarding claims is done in schedule number 2, outer column 3 lakhs. Now, reserve for unexpired risk is 36 lakhs on 1st April. So come to schedule number 1. Write down opening reserve of unexpired risk. Opening reserve of unexpired risk. It is 36 lakhs. Huh? So inner column 36 lakhs. Already written on 1st April. So it is understood that it is opening. Okay. So 36 lakhs in the inner column. And you have to provide 50% of net premium as closing reserves. Okay.
Yes.
So write down less closing.
1 crore 8 lakh into 50%.
Very good, very good. Less closing reserve for an expired risk. And in the bracket, you have to write 50% of net premium. So what is your
1
net
crore?
premium? 1 crore,
1 crore
8 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
50% of 1 crore 8 lakhs. This should be in the bracket. 50% of 1 crore 8 lakhs. So what is 1 crore 8 lakhs ka 50%?
4 lakhs.
54 lakh.
54 lakhs.
54 lakhs closing balance. Inner column bracket. Put it in the bracket because we need to deduct this amount from opening. So answer will be yes.
18 lakhs.
18 lakhs in the
Very good.
bracket.
Yes, 18 lakhs. So but now we need to deduct this amount 18 lakhs from net premium 1 crore 8 lakhs. So what is your final total of schedule number 1?
90 lakhs.
90 lakh.
90 lakhs. Very good. Schedule number 1, 90 lakhs. What is the total of schedule number 2? Schedule 2?
56 lakhs.
Very good.
56 lakhs.
56 lakhs.
Very good. 56 lakhs. Schedule number 3?
1 lakh
1 lakh
90,000.
90,000.
1 lakh
And
90,000.
schedule number 4, 21
lakhs. 21 lakhs. Very good. So now close the revenue account and get me the answer of operating profit or it is operating loss. Get me the answer. Remember, you have one other income also. So you have to add in the premium and the total A. Get me the total A first. What is total A? Total A means premium and other incomes.
95,000.
95 lakhs.
Sorry, 95 lakhs.
Yes, 95 lakhs is total A. What is total B? Total B will be the total of schedule number 2, 3, 4. Claims, commission and operating expenses. So what is the total B?
78 lakh 90,000.
78 lakh 90,000.
Very good.
90,000.
78 lakhs 90,000. Put it in the bracket and Surbi
In bracket.
Yes, Surbi has answered me with 16 lakhs 10,000. Divya has also
Yes, ma'am.
answered.
16 lakh
Yes,
10,000.
ma'am.
Very
16
good.
lakh 10,000.
16 lakh 10,000 is what? I mean operating profit or
Profit.
operating loss?
Profit.
Operating
Profit.
profit from,
Business, fire department.
yes.
है ना, फायर डिपार्टमेंट ही है ना ये. हाँ बिल्कुल फायर है. ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द चैप्टर and I hope you will complete all 4 sums that I have given you as homework and we will discuss it on Saturday. If you have any
Yes,
doubts,
ma'am.
please clear it out. Okay, before
Yes, ma'am.
I mean
Okay,
on
ma'am.
Saturday clear
Yes,
it out because after that we will start with FSM and we are left with only 2 chapters that are very small. Okay, 2 chapters that are very small and then finally we will be done with FSM syllabus also. So please clear your doubts related to insurance, final accounts of insurance, the one that we are doing today. Okay, I mean we have done it today. So please clear all the doubts of this chapter up to Saturday. Don't keep anything pending.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes.
Okay, from my side,
Yes, ma'am.
FRA is done. If any doubt is left, please clear it out. Or we have one
No,
day,
ma'am.
Saturday, we will clear it out. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So shall we end? Everybody has got the answer? The answer was 16
Yes,
lakhs
ma'am.
10,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
10,000.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
10,000.
ओके ग्रेट. चलो फिर हम
Thank you,
अभी
ma'am. Bye.
हाँ अभी क्लोज करते हैं लेक्चर और आप रिवीजन करते रहिए. ठीक है? ओके.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye Bikram.
Bye, ma'am.
everybody.
Thank you.
Yes, most welcome dear. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, my pleasure बच्चा. Okay. Bye everybody.